Okay, this is a new type of a panel I've made today. It has a 180 seconds delay put in it. So basically, fade my live here and my neutral here on A1. So this is the whole complete panel. After 180 seconds, the green light will stabilize and will receive a red light this side. Receive a red light this side. So you continue to wait. 180 seconds is about 3 minutes waiting time. So we're into that 3 minutes of wait. Let me take this opportunity to explain a few details about my panel. Basically, I've put 2 indicator lamps, one red, the other one green. Then there's a selector switch for switching on. So basically, this is the whole wiring of a single phase control panel with a 4C DC voltage monitor. Others call it window comparator. So basically, this is more of a dielectric 9 starter, but with a voltage monitor incorporated in it. As you know, Zambia is affected by low voltages most of the times, so you need to protect your pump against low voltages. From this, you need to install this device called a window comparator. This will monitor your voltages. When it's too low, it's supposed to cut. When it's too high, it's supposed to cut. So basically, this is the whole starter for a single phase pump. And in a single phase pump, there's always this device, a gadget called a capacitor. So as you can see, my voltage is stabilized and my red light is on now. This is after 180 seconds. So let's see the contactor energize as I turn on the selector switch. Okay, if you can really check properly, it is energized. Let me turn it off so that you can see that it's energized. You've seen the contactor is out. The contactor is energized now. So power meaning is going to the pump. So basically, this is a good sign that you have wired the control panel properly. And this is what we need. So I'll continue this video to show you when I put everything in place, to show you the final product of my connections. Thank you. This is Patrick.